OCC is a dynamic software company. We build bespoke software that makes a useful contribution to society. The startups we work with produce a vast array of medical devices. These range from systems to improve the accuracy of cardiovascular analysis, a COVID-19 risk calculator, and an AI application that analyses medical samples. We understand the complexities of developing software medical devices, and we would love to help you obtain CE marking for your products.
Medical device development can seem really intimidating. The process is governed by an extensive set of rules, and these can seem daunting and can be difficult to navigate. Medical devices span a huge range of instruments and machines and can also extend to software. But the common factor across all of them is that their intended use is for a medical purpose. Any software developed for medical use is therefore also considered to be a medical device. Here at Oxford Computer Consultants, we can help you to navigate the seemingly complex regulatory framework step by step, and then transform your idea into a market-ready product.
As Rachel said, at first medical device development can seem daunting, so let's demystify it. Prior to launching a product on the market, it must be approved by a regulatory agency. In the UK, this is the MHRA, and in the US, this is the FDA. Regulatory agencies will expect you to follow relevant industry standards. Standards are quality guidelines which stipulate how processes should be carried out. For medical device software, the relevant guidelines are ISO 13485 and IEC 62304. Part of these standards stipulate that you must put in place a quality management system, which outlines how your organisation will implement the rest of the regulatory standards. The quality management system requires you to maintain a device master record. This is where we will work together, and what I'm going to talk to you about in this video. The device master record documents your plans and the execution of these plans. It can be split into 3 sections: planning, development, and reporting. As part of the planning section, you will specify what you are going to do. Here are the relevant documents. To build your medical device, you're going to need multiple teams, including product, clinical, and development. These could all be part of your company, or you could outsource this work to a specialised company like Oxford Computer Consultants. In the first 3 documents, the product and clinical teams will set out what the medical device does, how it will be validated, and any risks associated with it. The statement of intended use is perhaps the most vital of these. It details what your medical device does, who for, and under what conditions it should be used. Your entire project is built to meet this statement. The next 3 documents will be written by the software development team. Let's explore the software requirements document. It forms the counterpart to the statement of intended use. It breaks up your product into specific tasks that need to be completed to meet the statement of intended use. We recommend using a 3-tier specification for requirements. The top tier items are the major components of the system. These may be a mobile app, a website, or a cloud processing service. The middle tier items are the features of each component. These might include features such as uploading images, processing data with your algorithms, and how your users will log in to use the system. The lowest tier is a further breakdown into tasks that need to be completed by the development team. The next section is development. Most of this is unchanged from normal software development. Your team takes each of the requirements, solves any challenges, and builds the features. With medical device development, the team should also ensure that the requirements are clearly mapped and linked to development plans. Every code commit must be linked to a requirement in the software requirements document. These requirements, in turn, must be tested to verify that they have been met. This will be used to write the software verification report to show that your medical device has been adequately tested. Finally, we have the reporting section. The reporting section is primarily the focus of the product and clinical teams. But a software company such as Oxford Computer Consultants will be able to help you with the risk management report and the user validation report. The purpose of the clinical evaluation report is to provide evidence that the medical device will fulfill the requirements you set out in the statement of intended use, i.e., your device does what it says it does. The post-market clinical follow-up plan must detail how you will ensure your device remains safe and effective. This should include monitoring of results, user feedback, and planned software updates. Once all of these sections are complete, the Regulatory Affairs Officer will either submit the master device record to the regulatory authority, or, if it's a Class 1 UK medical device, the officer will certify that your product is ready for use. And that's it. It might seem overwhelming, but all the steps are logical. Essentially, it involves writing up activities that you would have completed anyway.
I hope this video has helped you to understand the process of medical device development. When it comes to guiding clients, we specialise in a lightweight and efficient process which can be tailored to your needs. We like to follow a collaborative approach with you, involving you every step of the way. We're experienced in assisting clients working on a broad range of medical devices. Our innovation delivery team comprises skilled software developers, UX designers, and project managers. But we also partner with organisations to provide quality affairs consultancy. To find out more, you can get in touch through our website, and we wish you every success on your medical device journey.